Hello, welcome to Hallie's Kitchen. Today we will be making pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. We have a special guest today. This is Milo, our new puppy. Say hi. The two most important things to do before baking is first you need to wipe down your surface so that you have a clean surface. Then you need to wash your hands. It's better to use with hot water, but not too hot. For supplies, we have a mixing bowl, a can opener, a spatula, a cookie sheet, and a silicone mat. Silicone mat keeps it from sticking. So as ingredients, we have our pumpkin, our spice cake mix, the best thing in that whole recipe, the chocolate chips. You can use any kind, but we're going to use milk chocolate. The next thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Right now, you need to get your mixing bowl, and you need to take your pumpkin. Also grab the can opener. So after you do that, make sure that you open it like this, not like that, because that can cut you. You dump this whole thing in, if it will come out. If you need to, you can grab your spatula. Next, it doesn't matter what order you put it in, but I'm going to put this in because I want to add lots of chocolate chips. So you pour that in. Make sure you got all of it in. So I'm only not going to open it the whole way because this is 2 cups and we only need 1 cup, so I'm going to pour about half of it in. That's about half. Okay, mix it. It is going to be very thick after a moment, but I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. How many of you have made pumpkin chocolate chip cookies or bread? So I have made this multiple times. This is actually one of my favorite desserts. I'm the one that usually makes it. We're definitely chefs in this family. Oh my gosh. This is seriously so exhausting. It's getting so thick. This is exhausting. There's many ways to scoop your cookies onto your pan, but this is my favorite way. So you take your cookie sheet. So I usually space them apart. You can usually get 12 cookies on a sheet. That's the usual, but you can sometimes fit 16 depending on your pan size. Hey guys, here's your math. What's 4 times 3? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ding, 12! So the oven is not ready yet. So get your oven mitt out just so when you put them in. What should we do during this time? I know, I'm gonna learn how to floss. I bet you were expecting the floss dance. Okay, so the oven is ready. Let's put these cookies in. It's very hot. Okay, so now we need to set the timer. So we're going to set it 15 to 20 minutes. What should we do now? I know, let's have a dance party!
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos.
cheese, cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Cheese.
It's raining tacos. Tacos.
Like this. Nim, 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 nim. They only have 45 seconds left. Will we survive? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, they're done! Okay guys, they look done. Okay, so you need to put your oven mitt on your hand so you don't burn yourself, and make sure to get an adult supervision for this. It's very hot. Ooh. After they cool, you can set them on this cooling rack until they are ready to eat. While the oven is still warm, this is a great time to take your leftover batter and turn them into cookies. Okay, so now that we have these ones going, let's clean up. My favorite part about cleaning up is licking this cookie. I don't know why. I'll let my sister do the honors.
Hello. Echo.
Thank you for watching Hallie's Kitchen. Now it is my favorite part. To eat the cookie. You can see that melted chocolate chip. Wait. This is good. So good.